Hi class, welcome to week number 8 of Counseling 545. We are in our last week. We've done a lot of work, but there's still a little bit more to do this week. It's a little bit different this week because the main focus is program evaluation. Thus far, we've had a lot of focus on research, evaluating research, how you can work to absorb research, apply research, and program evaluation is a type of research, and it's really important to include within this class. So you can see your readings are chapters 12 and 13 from the B&K book. You have additional supports here and also down here as well, but these are the program evaluation articles that you're going to choose from. What you have due this week is your week 8 quiz due Saturday by midnight and your program evaluation assignment. If you click on the program evaluation assignment, you're going to see that you are going to utilize the 6-step model presented in the B&K book for program evaluation. You need to choose one of the articles. These are the exact same articles that you saw on the previous page down here below, but you're going to choose one of those articles to complete the assignment. So you might want to go in, dig in, see what the different topics are, although it is noted here too as well. And you can see the 6-step program evaluation model developed by the CDC as well too. So after you choose an article, you are going to complete the following. There's an outline down here below, but you're going to want to have an introduction to the assignment. Step 1 is identifying the stakeholders. So how can clients benefit from the population? So who's the client population? When you're reviewing the program evaluation, describe the program. So what was the counseling program from the article? And then there's different questions here. The evaluation, the questions here that you have to answer. Gather evidence. So what assessment methods were used in step 3? How was it collected? What were the procedures? Step 5, you're going to look at the data and the conclusions. What was the data analysis used? How were they able to determine the worth of the program? And finally, presenting the findings and using them. Once we know the findings from the article, how could a counseling program use the results that was indicated in the article to evaluate to make improvements? It's worth 70 points. Recommended length is 3 pages. I would say that probably each one of these different categories should be headings. You don't need to have step 1, step 2. You could just have stakeholders, program, evaluation, things like that, but that would be a good idea to organize your assignment. The rubric is down here below as well. I'm not sure if you see it the same way as I do, but you're going to notice that each of the steps are in there, and then APA and writing style. And basically under each of the descriptions is what the different questions to make sure that you've addressed that. So that is it for that component of week 8. You're going to see at the very bottom, it's not published now because I don't have the link yet. You're going to have your course evaluation, hopefully, to complete as well. But that is it by week 8. It has been a pleasure having you in class. I know in week 1, which this class just zooms by so quickly, these 8-week classes do. There was a lot of different emotions that were expressed, but I do hope you've reached your goals. I hope you can see the value in research, and I hope that you're able to get that hook that I mentioned during the first week of class, that once you have a passion and interest tied to research, it makes it a little bit more enjoyable, I find. All right, so that is it. I hope to see you in the future. Reach out to me as you need, and I hope you've enjoyed class. Thank you.